Good morning. I'm Don Miller at Century 21 Executives right here in Vernon in the beautiful North Okanagan. Today, we're back with our monthly real estate market report. What is going on in the market? Now, we held off this month just a bit so that we could tell you that this morning, well, we didn't want to tell you they raised interest rates, but we can tell you the Bank of Canada did choose to raise the base rate by 0.25%. That will affect mortgages, fixed term mortgages. It should affect them. We'll see it rolling out later today, I'm sure, with the banks if they haven't already responded. So that will restrict some people's buying power, unfortunately, and we'll just wait and see how everything plays out. But what happened in June and what do we look at going forward? Again, beautiful month. We had Sundays on Sunday just the other day. Things are lovely here in the Okanagan. And the market, strengthening sellers market. We've got 3.32 months of inventory. That's a decrease in the months of inventory, which means it's a strengthening sellers market. We'll look at that more in just a moment. Active listings 355. Again, all these are residential that we use, only single family residential housing. New listings 155 and number of sales 107. Now that's an important comparative right there because new listings coming on were higher than the numbers of sales in the month. That usually means the inventory will increase. And as inventory increases and sales decrease, we get an absorption rate that creeps upwards. So we can anticipate this creeping upwards towards the balanced market over the next couple of months. Homes are selling for very close to their asking price, and they're taking longer to sell. It's 46 days to sell on average now, as compared to last year, it was 33. Again, all our comparables are with the same month in the previous year. So we're looking at June 2022. Benchmark price, almost negligible change. We'll talk about more about that on the third graph. And median price and average price, pretty much very close to each other. So what it means to buyers. Buyers have to continue to be aware that a home may sell out from under them if they take too long to think about it. So if it's the right house, jump right in and make that offer. If it's not the right house, step back, wait and see if you're not sure. Sellers, you still have to be a little sharp penciled on your price points. And always remember that move-in ready home has a better chance of selling for a better price in a shorter time. So let's take a look at the absorption rate like I promised. Here we are. So the absorption rate, the current months right here, June right there, you can see it's significantly below the balanced market threshold. But as I said, if the number of homes continue to come on the market and sales continue to decline, then we're going to see this creep up over the next couple of months. This is the graph everybody seems to like. It's the real estate. It's all the stats, by the way, come from the Association of Interior Realtors. We look forward to we continue to work with them on a daily basis because that's our real estate board. Single family dwelling, North Okanagan. So here's where we break it out a little bit. We've got some other units. North Okanagan sales 107, up 3.9% over the same month last year. Benchmark price you can see is down 0.4%. That's virtually negligible. So we won't worry about too much about that. Days to sell 46. That's a significant increase, 37.5%. So over a third. And inventory, as I said already, it is creeping upwards. So single family dwelling, let's move right over to townhomes. What's happening in the townhome market? Looks kind of similar. The only difference is benchmark price didn't go down. So we've got an increase in sales. We've got a marginal increase in benchmark price, 1.8%. Again, negligible differential from last year. Days to sell up significantly more, 71 days to sell, an increase of 177.6%. And inventory is also up a little more on a percentage basis than single family dwelling. So townhouses. And last but not least, strata apartment buildings, North Okanagan. Here we are. Sales are up. Benchmark price is up again, 2.7%, virtually negligible. So All of these are telling almost the same story. Days to sell are up significantly to 58, and inventory is up to 61 by 15.1%. So that is the overview of the market. If you've got something you're specifically interested in, a type of dwelling or a lakefront, an acreage, give me a call. We can look at the specific numbers for you, what it really means for you. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you soon. I'm Don Miller, and I'm sold on Vernon. Thanks for watching.